Hey everybody, I don't know if you have heard, but ADHDKC just got a whole bunch of swag in their shop, and I just got mine in the mail, so I'm excited and we're gonna look at it. You can get a whole bunch of stuff, whether it be a cup, shirt, sweatshirt, sticker. You'll have to go on and look and see, but let's see what it looks like. So here is the sticker. It looks super cute and I am super excited. It will be, it's got some fun like dots and a clear background. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put it, but I am excited to it might go on my computer because that's super fun. And this looks saucy. So you can see I am a bright color person, so of course I go with a bright color shirt. And this, it's a Bella canvas shirt, which I'm really excited about. The color is poppy and it looks awesome so far. And let's take the sticker off of it. And look. That looks so great. I am excited. I think it'll look fantastic and it'll really pop out at the conference and any vendor events or just, hey, everyday wear. It is soft. It is Bella canvas. It says connect, learn, thrive. So congratulations to whoever submitted this on our t-shirt design contest. You did a fantastic job. And I think that looks absolutely fantastic. This color is poppy, and I think it looks great with the blue and all of the different colors. So I am excited, and heck, now that I have my first set of gear, I'm gonna have to go back and look and see what else I want, because I am kind of a cup nerd. I love them, and the tumbler travel cups look super, super cute. And you know what's cool is it's a direct ship. So all you gotta do is go on the website or go on the app if you have it, the Spaces by Wix app, and grab it, check out, and it'll be just like ordering anything else. You'll get a confirmation email, and then a few days later you'll get shipping confirmation, and it is that easy. So get in and get yours so that you can have them if you're coming to the conference. Hopefully you're coming to the conference in November. It is local to Kansas City, yay! And yeah, just fun swag to wear. So go online and get yours. I am excited, and now I get to start wearing this. Yay!